Are you camera shy but want to thrive on YouTube? Starting a channel without showing your face is possible. Today, we'll explore 5 powerful ideas to make money online. First, consider an AI tools channel. Share knowledge about useful AI tools. Create engaging tutorials and guides for beginners. You can attract viewers keen on technology and innovation. Next, think about a motivation channel. Use stock videos and your voice to inspire others. Curate powerful quotes, success stories, and uplifting messages. Many people search for daily motivation online. The third idea is a facts channel. Share intriguing facts and unknown history. Create short videos that spark curiosity. People love learning new things in an entertaining way. The fourth concept is finance and money tips. Discuss saving methods, investment strategies, and side hustles. Help viewers navigate their financial journeys effectively. Educating on money matters can build a loyal audience. Finally, explore a tech and gadgets channel. Review the latest gadgets or tech trends. You don't need to appear on screen, just share your insights. Tech enthusiasts are always on the lookout for recommendations. In summary, many profitable YouTube channel ideas exist without showing your face. Choose topics you're passionate about and cater to an audience. Start today, and turn your ideas into a source of income. Subscribe for more insights and tips. Start your YouTube journey now and discover your niche.